Why do so many efforts to grow and evolve inevitably lead us back to our old habits? If you find yourself in this situation, know that you are not alone. The desire for change is often hindered by an inner imbalance. Let us explore 5 key factors that, among many others, can stand in the way of our progress. 1. The energy of family legacy. We carry within us family energies that can either propel us forward or keep us bound to old patterns. Recognizing these dynamics, becoming aware of them, and acting upon them is a first step toward liberating ourselves and the generations that will follow. 2. Educational conditioning. Too often, our education teaches us to view the world only through its surface. Without questioning what we have learned and what we experience, an essential depth of life remains inaccessible to us. 3. The autopilot mode. Many people live their lives on autopilot, allowing external circumstances to dictate their existence. Others, life itself, or events become responsible for what happens to them. Yet the first door to change opens when we fully accept responsibility for our own lives. 4. Biological resistance. The body becomes attached to what it knows. After living for long periods in stress, fear, or anxiety, it adapts to those states. Changing your life, therefore, involves more than changing your thoughts. It also requires gradually transforming the inner chemistry that supports your habits. 5. The mask of illusions. It is impossible to build a new self upon the foundations of old falsehoods. True change requires the courage to face reality as it is, even when it is painful. These 5 factors do not explain everything, but they help us better understand some of the mechanisms that keep us trapped in the same patterns of living. The path of transformation. For genuine transformation to emerge, there must first be a breakthrough, an awakening of consciousness, a moment when our eyes open to what we were previously unable to see. Reprioritizing our humanity means choosing to give your life a new direction. Through the prefrontal cortex, the physical seat of conscious awareness, we are able to make new decisions and act in alignment with them. Little by little, our cells begin to reprogram themselves to support this new way of being. Every new commitment often passes through 3 stages: motivation, a decline in energy, and discouragement. It is precisely at this point that old habits try to reclaim their place. Do not give up. No matter how small, every step counts. The true secret is not to break your rhythm and, above all, not to give up. This is how new habits begin to take root. After approximately 3 months, the first signs of change often become noticeable. After 6 months, the new foundations grow stronger. And after a year, these new habits can become deeply integrated into the way you live. But this requires clarity, discipline, patience, and perseverance. When we consider these 5 factors together, we begin to understand why change is so difficult. For the greatest battle does not take place outside of us. It unfolds within us. When our consciousness awakens, we gradually discover another version of ourselves, one filled with greater peace, confidence, and inner strength. We cease to be victims and become conscious participants in our own story. This journey requires vigilance. Old habits never disappear completely. They remain dormant, waiting for moments of weakness to reappear. But when new habits take deep root, the well-being they bring becomes a powerful support for continuing the journey. Learn to know yourself. Discover the values, principles, and guiding rules that shape your life. For when you truly desire something, your entire being must move in the same direction. Every level of consciousness is a key that unlocks a door that had remained closed within us. Reprioritizing your humanity.